on a special day for a woman. I hope you people enjoy that one. As I told you earlier that we are going to make a barbecue chicken. So it's just a very good non-veg dish, which is after my demo people can make it at home. It's a very easy and no need any extra skill. Hi Babita, how are you? Sorry for you are going to wait. Hi Neeraj, how are you? Hi Atish, how are you? Hi Mr. Datta, Mr. Dada, how are you? I'm just waiting for 4 more minutes. Then, as I promised to everyone that I'm going to be give a demo at 4 o'clock. As I'm ready at 4 o'clock, everything is ready here to be prepare that one. Chef Shalendra, can I have one plate? I'm going to display first. Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Dada. So I just want to be display the things which I am going to be prepare first. So as I told you that we are going to be prepare first the barbecue chicken. Start with the non-veg, and I am going to be display all the ingredients which you are going to be prepare before you start your cooking. All is a homemade stuff. You are no need to be spend a lots of money to be make a barbecue chicken. It's all everything you can find at home. Within your monthly expenses, you can make so many things, which I am going to be display right now. So you can see that little bit of garlic, little bit of celery. If you don't have, no worry. In my place where I am from, you don't find. I am from Jharkhand. You don't find celery there. And the chopped onion, chopped ginger, salt, little bit of garlic powder. If you don't have, no worry. Soya sauce, tomato ketchup, chili sauce. You can buy the chili sauce also, or if you don't have, no issue, you can make it a red chili paste. It's similar like that. Flour, chicken wings. Okay, so before we start, I just let you know that it takes a few minutes, like 10 to 15. 10 to 15 minutes to be prepared. And Chef Dinesh, can you come forward? Please hold my I let you know that how we make it. Just take a ball first. The chicken you have to wash before you use it. This is the chicken wings, which you get it from the wings of the chicken. Then as per the portion, you can take it out. 5-6 portion together. Before you're going to be make anything, you have to be seasoned first nicely. So I just put a pinch of salt, some garlic powder, Hi Sudaksha, how are you? I hope you see me here. You like it? We did a class together. Just put some salt and just get some pepper also. Just put some pepper, salt and pepper, mix it together, keep it aside. This is the marination for the chicken wings. And the next thing, you have to prepare all this stuff. The onion, celery, garlic, ginger. Now we are going for our cooking. So, not really do so many things. Just start the cooking. So first heat the pan. Heat the pan. Put a pinch of, just a little bit of oil. Okay, just put a little oil. You can see that I am using a non-stick pan, so you need very less oil. You can use another pan as well. So first you have to be come closer, come closer. Just make it hot, little bit smoky. Then we have to be start sauteing all this stuff. First, little bit of brown the garlic. And little ginger. It's like if the garlic is 10 grams, ginger is only 3 grams. So little golden brown color. Then you can add some celery. If you don't have, no worries. It's not giving a different taste, but of course, yeah. It's a little exotic vegetable, so of course it gives a little taste different. Then after these all are sauteing, you can see the little golden brown color. Smokes good, nice. Then you add some chopped onion in it. Nicely you have to saute that one. So we are preparing the barbecue chicken wings. For this is the sauce for that. After we prepare the barbecue chicken wing, we are tossed in that and garnished with the sesame, roasted sesame seeds. So you can see now is smoky. So now it is smoky and it's getting ready. Hi Indro, how are you? Sorry, I can't hear you properly. I cannot see you properly because I am quite busy in cooking. So it looks. Can you bring it closer? Now it looks little brown color. Now we can add some soya sauce. As you can see that one. Now you can add some soya sauce. To give a nice good color. And after that, little tomato ketchup. Little chili paste. Now you can see if you don't find a dark color, see, now the color comes as you find it out in a hotel. So it's almost ready. The sauce is ready. Now we have to be prepare the chicken as it's almost. Now the chicken is marinated already. We just do it with the flour. Just sprinkle the flour on top. Just sprinkle the flour on top. We are already marinated. Make sure the salt and the garlic powder should be enough. Nicely. and then we can keep it aside. Chef Ranjan, can you make it hot, the oil? Now after that, we are just make it hot, the oil, and now we can start frying that one. Oil takes a bit of time to be hot. Okay, in the meanwhile, I can do the another. In the meanwhile, we can do the another marination, which you like it. We are doing that another marination of the fish. We are taking a basa, which is normally you can find is a boneless. There is a basa fish. I'll take a 5 pieces, pinch of turmeric. As I told you, tawa fish I am going to make. Pinch of coriander, pinch of chili powder, pinch of little garam masala added, little salt in it, and little ginger garlic paste. We are marinate and keep aside, and little lemon juice. So whatever the pungent taste of the fish is going to be out from the fish after the marination, and we can get a nice color and taste as well. So that fish marination is done. Now we have to keep aside. Right, we are going to start another one, the chicken wings. You can see the oil is already hot. Now we can start frying the chicken. Once the chicken is start floating on the oil, means chicken is done. Normally the moms are finding out the things they are after the experience, and as we are the chefs, we are also know that so many experience whatever the moms are using. So soon it's going to be a golden brown color, and hello Narendra Bhaiya, how are you? I can't hear you. Soon is going to be ready. After a few minutes, it's become a red in color, and it's going to start floating. So you can see that now start frying that one. Little more color is required, and after that we are tossed and place it in the plate. So it's getting ready. As our sauce is getting ready already, we are going to toss. It's a nice fragrance comes from there. After that, we are going to make donuts. Donut is very easy, and at home you can make it donuts very easy. Nothing special for a donut. You need to just buy from the market is baking powder or yeast. Right? So you can see now start. Can you go closer? Now you can see the chicken is quite start floating. Hi Sheikh Saab, how are you? So now chicken is ready, almost start floating. So we straight put in our sauce. At home also is very less time it will take in to be prepare that one. And it just need to be tossed. Now its chicken wings is ready. As you can see, that one is fully coated with the sauce, the barbecue sauce. Now we are start plating with that. So I can show you how to make a plate look good. Sesame seeds. For a garnish, we are using little sesame seeds to be looks good. I already roasted before. So this is our plate. You can just sprinkle the plates on top. You can make it at home also. How you do it? See, your plates looks different. Just sprinkle the chilies on top and wipe it out like this. See, this will make a little different look. Right? Now you can place the chicken. And your chicken wings is ready. I put, there is a green is missing, so I put some celery, and on top I just put some sprinkles of some. So this is your barbecue chicken wings is ready. I hope you enjoy that cooking. Okay, we go for the next one. We are going to make it ready our donuts. As we are finished already the fish, still leave it for a marination. Now we are start making donuts. So donuts, what's normally required? Okay, now I'm going to be placed everything. Okay, see, this is our okay. This is can you come closer? This is our yeast. There's a milk, little sugar, sorry, salt, butter. This is powdered sugar, egg, and vanilla essence and flour. This all together we are going to use for making donuts. It's very easy. You need to be just bring out all the ingredients together and mix it with the ladle. Don't use a hand. First we go with around 100 grams of flour, right? Then little around 3 grams of yeast, then 1 numbers of egg, little butter, around a tablespoon, then little pinch of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of milk. Because I am making very less, that's why I am using very less. And the rest, these are things that we are kept it beside for a marination. And we don't use a hand, we just use a rubber spatula, right? I already prepared earlier to be, I'm not taking much time to do it because it takes some proofing time. So it's now going to be mixture like this. You have to mix. Mixture is like that, and you have to be covered. Mixtures little liquidy, little, not very very hard-handed, and we have to cover. Can I have a plastic wrap? Plastic wrap, plastic wrap. Okay, this like this we have to cover for half an hour. And I already prepare, which is already fermented, right? And we have to take out in a very soft hand. So, can I have a rolling pin? We have to take out in a very soft hand, right? And it's like, see, this is the already fermented with the yeast, right? And very soft hand we have to be hold it out. Can I have some flour? And we have to be little. At home you can make it. There's no need of oven. There's no need of oven and all. We just need to be check the thickness of the dough, because after frying it's going to be rise it. Can I have a plate? And see the thickness. See the thickness is similar like that thickness you want. And after that, it's required a 2 proofing. 1 proofing we did it earlier, and this is the second proofing we are doing. Now we have to cut it down. This one, like whatever size and shape you want, you can cut down. So it's nothing very tough job. The mixture should be good. The texture should be good after rolling it, and we can do it like 2, 3 like this, right? And as the donuts looks with a hole, so we make a hole also. And just keep it this one also for see how it looks. After rising it looks like this. So we just keep it this one aside, because we want to first we have to dip this one in the oil. So what is the temperature? Can you put it oil? It's very hot now. So we have to proofing that one again. This one we proof again, and with the cover of plastic wrap. So first proofing is here. Can you show this one? First proofing is there, and second proofing is this one. So I hope you people are enjoying our cooking demo. This is the second proofing we are lifted there. And after this is going to be rice, right? And then we start frying that one. And your donut get ready. After that we are thinking about that. Our garnish part, which we are prepared already. This one sugar powder, you can just mix the sugar, normal sugar, right? And you can have a chocolate also. Chocolate, you can just melt the chocolate. Now the oil is hot. My fermented is, I kept it already side. This is after fermentation, and this is the second proofing donuts, where everything looks very perfect. You can see that one. See, very perfect, nicely layered. Now we can start frying that one. First, as I told you earlier, that we are keeping this one for tasting purpose. If it is floating up, comes good, means see, this is the temperature we want. We don't want a more temperature. Very slowly heated oil. See, we are going to be put now the donuts. And donuts, how it looks. See, this is the donuts. And I'll make it a 4 for other garnish also. I'll prepare the garnish also. And you can just use see, like this. No need to be use anything. You just need to use a toothpick. Still, this is a little hot. We don't need much, little hot like this. I hope you people are enjoying that one. Hi Chef Som, how are you? Now you can see the donuts comes very good. It's nicely colored, and this is what we are trying before. Now the donuts comes with a good color. And my cameraman is my chef Shalinder. So I hope you'll enjoy his camera skills also, apart from this. So this one is already a good color. Still one side is required more color. This one. Once it's fried nicely, it's going to be very very floppy and very less wet. So it's getting ready now. We have to take out now. Your donuts get ready now. See, all our looks very good. Nicely. Where we are not putting any extra skills to prepare that one. Just a process. We need to look for the process. That's it. How we are making. The process, how we are doing. So, So this is getting ready now. This is now ready, and without any extra skills, we are ready with the. Where we have a chocolate. Chocolate is done. So can I have a sieve? The chai wala nahi? Chota wala? Strainer. Okay. This is our donuts. We can. If you have some skills to do it, you can do it, or otherwise you can just dip it. I'll make it deep that one. See, let's put the sauce in it. There is a chocolate, normal chocolate with butter. See, now the donuts comes here. See, this is the donuts, comes here. 2 donuts is ready, and 2 other ones we are going to prepare. So, this is the another 2 donuts. We are just waiting for strainers where we are giving. We are look like whatever prepare is look like in where you buying in the shop. So I have a strainer, bigger one. So your donuts are also ready. This is the 2 donuts, right? This donuts, I'll just keep it side for that. So you have a donuts ready. Now we are go for the fish, as I told you. Now we are going to make a fish. So fish nothing much, we already add everything, and we put some lemon juice, so it's already take out that juice, and which is bring a more flavor. We are going to be do it in a pan. So now the pan, make it hot first, right? Make it hot first, and our fish is ready. As you can see, that is very easy. It's very easy. You are not taking a more skills. Prem, hello, how are you? Kamal, how are you? It's just putting a oil in it, little oil, but make it hot, so it's give a nice color. Hello Archana Bhabi, how are you? So I already add a ginger garlic paste, I already added chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and lemon juice. So it's all marinated already. Just make it a smoky our pan to which gives a nice dark golden brown color. Okay, now you can see the smoke comes. Now I put the fish in it. It's already fish is deboned. The sound comes like this. So really, we can do the flambe also. So now the fish, we have to leave it at. Hi Sudama, how are you? Thank you for watching my video as I'm doing for International Women's Day. Please try to be learn all the simple skills of cooking. And the last and final one, I'm going to be have a lachha paratha, which is very easy. Just need to be add some maida, salt and oil. But you require more oil as compared to we are making at home. Require more oil. I'm going to be giving a demo of the lachha paratha as well. Leave it that one is not going to stick. See, nicely cooked. It's getting a more dark color. See, I already prepared a lachha paratha dough, which is little harder side. You can see little hard, but when you prepare with the oil, it's become very soft. I am going to be do it, and while our fish is also going to be get ready. See, the fish comes very nice color, nicely golden brown color. In a very less oil. And as a chef, I can smell and taste also while. So I hope it's very tasty. See, you can make some sauce as well with that. But as I already told you that tawa fish is there, so there is no sauce as a basic recipe of tawa fish, just a marination and the fish. So I'm going to be now display with the plating there. It looks very nice, which is the accompaniment with the rice. The next one is the paratha, lachha paratha. So it's as it is the basa fish is very easy to cook. It's not like our river fish. So it's not take much time as it is looks already cooked. So now we can put a display here. So our rice is ready already. So just place it here. Okay. Put some dhania patta, the normal garnish, and some mint, and it's getting ready for the another dish. So last and a final one is lachha paratha. Chef, can you give me oil? So oil is a basic ingredient for lachha paratha. You have to have lots of oil in it. Okay, Sudama, you also can eat, not an issue. We little just put little oil in it and then roll it. I can use a small rolling pin. It's not going to be harm anything. We are making of maida, so its elastic is very nice. You can expand as much as possible. It's not going to be have a hole and all. As you look, it is now very long. You can do it like this also. It's not going to be right. And making the pan ready, sir. And now we can do it like this, folding. And fold it like this and make it like this. So you have a layers and put it back like this. So your lachha paratha get ready. And after this, we make another one. Similar like that, we have to roll it. I hope I'm taking a more time, as I already told you, it's the half an hour session. I hope half an hour is going to be finished. Right, Chef Shailandra? Half an hour is finished? Huh? Okay. So hopefully this is the last dish. This is the last dish I am going to prepare, which is almost ready, as you seen here. No worry if it is break. You just need to be fold like this and then roll it like this. I hope you can see this one in the market while you are having a food there in the now the tawa getting hot and we make it in the tawa. How it is. You can make it bigger also, as I am very short of time, so I can make it very fast. Put some oil and then leave it. So as I already displayed the things, now you can come, can you come forward for this? We are making ready the chicken wings. And the second one is our donuts. And third one is the tawa fish. And the fourth one is shortly coming. So I hope you people are enjoying the International Women's Day. International Women's Day, I hope you people are enjoying. And I'll try my best to become again. If I'm getting a nice review and wishes, I hope you people are enjoying my dishes, right? And I'll try my best to make it all the easy stuff which you can make it at home without buying or expensive or more very expensive item. I hope these are all things you can find it at your normal home stuff. And now lachha paratha is getting ready. So paratha gets a nice color. So meanwhile you can do it at home, or you can give a suggestion to me for putting another cookery show. I am going to be shortly live, so people can enjoy. My so many bhabis are there to be really love to be having the cooking demo. So now the lachha paratha get ready. When the lachha paratha ready, we have to bang all the lachha paratha to we get a nice layers of paratha. And always put it in a low heat so it gets very fast. So this is ready now, and so we do it like so. This is the all layers comes with the lachha paratha. So these all 4 items you get ready with Chef Mukesh. Thank you very much to be there with me or spending your expensive time with me. And soon we'll come with another cookery demo. Thank you very much.